This is like completely new to me. I just thought like forestry would mainly be like chainsaw stuff.
Drones are a nice added technology that kind of make things a little bit easier.
It's going to be great being able to work with them to learn more about it and have some practical applications.
We'd go through the regulations, the equipment.
We are here at the UC Davis Environmental Research Center, and we're doing drone training, going over regulations, safety,
The safest place for the
just
drone.
all the rules and guidelines that go with what it takes to qualify and to run a drone.
Drones have a bigger role in forestry now.
Yesterday he was talking about how drones could be used to find trees like way out.
Kind of get the layout of the land, see the general health of that portion of the land, and being able to bring it up and collect data. That data can be used to help formulate a plan.
So in this case, it would be beneficial because you can use those drones to fly over the areas and see how well the trees are doing.
UC Davis has been growing these saplings for 3 years, trying to replant sugar pine.
At a burn site where the Caldor fire hit in 2021, get some regeneration started in this area.
We have sugar pines from all over the basin, also outside of the basin, like out at Monitor Pass.
We each go out with a sapling bag and whatever we need to kind of dig out the spot. Each of us will form the spot with our little digging tool, and then we drop the sapling in there.
We're trying to get the roots down deep enough so that they can establish themselves, reach water, and then they can get through the winter, and then they'll be here next summer for us to water. We're going to be tracking them for about 3 years so that we can make sure that they get established here. And then the aspiration with the drones are that we can fly the drones up and lay down water in more remote locations so we can get these trees planted back further in.
Versus having to go in and walk on foot and use up all that time just trying to figure out where everything is at.
It's interesting how much they've thought this through. It means so much to me to be able to contribute to more healthy forests in California.
I really care for and appreciate the planet that we live on, and I think it's nice in my work to be able to do something that I know is helping.
Be able to contribute to that long-term strategic goal of that the state of California needs to be focused on.
Just knowing that like for future years to come it's just gonna get better, it's really cool.